Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Marites Abela, 34 years old. I'm married. I have two children, 11 and 9 years old. I am a high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I give my family a better future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, I have experience here in the Philippines in 7 years.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
Washing clothes, ironing, marketing, gardening, and take care of it.
Aside from taking care, did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
No, I take care of children and elderly.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I take him vitamins, taking a bath, asking him in the school, and about the elderly, I give him a medicine and go to the clinic.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
I'm skills is cooking and cleaning the house.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Trust, loyal, hardworking, and loyal.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
To all my employers here in Hong Kong, please choose me. I am hardworking, worthy, and honest and trust. Thank you and see you soon in Hong Kong.